can I ask you a little bit about the innovation space? You know, I work a lot in that space, and leadership change is a big part of that as well. It's not an area that I'm an expert in, so I'd love to hear from your perspective. If an organization really wants to innovate, they need the leaders to not only have the process and the methodologies and the strategy. What would change look like in that area?
One thing that I'd love to stress here as well, and then afterwards I can answer the rest of your question, is that diversity is one of the elements that's absolutely essential. If you want to have an innovative culture, you need to have diversity, because diversity brings together very different perspectives. And that innovation that results from different perspectives, that is what gives you a more positive bottom line. So make sure you have that inclusive culture that also will allow the different perspectives to be brought to the table, and then we can build upon those different perspectives. A culture of inclusion is absolutely essential if you want to drive innovation.